Your name, okay? What's your name?
Daddy.
No, you have pigtails, but what's your name?
I'm Maya.
How old are you?
2.
How old is your sister?
3, 5,
No.
64.
Is she 4?
Yeah,
No. Oh,
4.
she just had a birthday. How old is she? Is she 6 or 7?
7,
Yeah, she's 7. How old is Daddy?
65.
65?
Yeah,
No, that's Nana. Nana and Grammy.
Nana.
No, he's older than that. How old's Granddad?
2.
Does he act like a 2-year-old?
Yes.
Sometimes.